Yo guys, welcome back with me Kenwilboy. In this video, we're going to talk about beginner's guide to Forex trading in 2025. This video is going to be full course for free, so you don't have to pay for any those course sellers out there, the online course sellers. No, I'm not selling you any course. I gave you all the information what normally other course sellers sell you for high amount. I gave you for free. Okay, my name is Kenwilboy. I am the CMO of Fortunomarkets, and I'm also a certified technical analyst with more than 10 years of experience. So let's begin. What is Forex? Before you begin trading Forex, you need to know what is Forex first. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the global marketplace for buying and selling currencies. The Forex market is usually used by businesses, governments, and traders like you and me around the world. It is the largest financial market in the world with over $7 trillion of transaction in one day. Insane, crazy. And we normally use leverage when we are trading in the Forex market. If you don't know what is leverage, leverage is like a loan given by the broker or by the trading app. So that allows you to trade larger amount of assets than your capital is. And maybe the number one question I get is, which pair should I trade? Because if you check here, this is Fortunomarkets trading app. If you check here, there is a lot of pair. There is Forex currencies here. Basically, Forex is currencies pair. Like this Euro USD, it means that Euro against the dollar. If the Euro rises up against the dollar, so here the chart would be green. There will be green candlestick up. If the Euro goes down against the dollar, it will go down. But that's basically it. Here, XAUSD, aka gold, is also a popular asset. It means that gold against the dollar. Yeah. And which pair should we use? That's a question I get asked a lot. Well, it really depends, but for you guys beginners out there, I would suggest you to stick to the major or the popular pair. Why? Because the major one or the popular one, they have high liquidity and high volume. With high liquidity and high volume, you get a lot of market movement. That's number one. So you could gain massive profit. Number two, with high liquidity, you get better spreads, basically better trading fees. So if you trade here, I will show you with Fortunomarkets. If you trade here gold or Euro USD, that's very popular currency pair or Forex pair. It's basically almost zero. You're trading with no fees, basically with almost no fees, because the fees got so low until like it's negligible. I think it's negligible. So you can just focus on your trade without worrying about all the fees and everything. So yeah, I think you should stick to the popular one. If you check here, all symbols, check popular. Yeah, stick to the popular ones here. And out of the popular pairs list, the most popular one, I would say, it's gold and Bitcoin. Gold, Bitcoin, and Euro USD if you're trading currency, Euro USD. So yeah, gold, Bitcoin if you trade cryptocurrency, and Euro USD if you trade currency, yeah, fiat currency. And when should we trade? That's also another question I get asked a lot. Well, it really depends on the currency pair. So I will show you here. There is an indicator called session. If you check here on TradingView is a free platform for you to do charting and market analysis. Just type in session. There's a lot of market session indicator. I use this one from Lux Algo. It's free. Don't worry. It's all free here. You can check here. So market session is like here, this indicator tells you, or market session refers to the financial centers that are currently active in a given period or given moment. So you check here, right now we are in London session. It means that right now the financial centers or the financial institutions in London are currently active. But the financial centers in Tokyo are currently not active because it's night in Asia right now when we are shooting this video here. In Sydney, they are not active. In Tokyo, they are not active. If you see here, the little markings on the indicators. So yeah, that's basically it, market sessions. So different markets have different times where they have high liquidity. For example, here, gold, XAUSD. You see, there are USD in the currency pair. For all currency with USD, they're normally active during the New York session. Here, New York session. So during the New York session, currency pairs with USD in it, they are more active, they have higher liquidity, higher volume, better spreads, lower trading fees. Yeah. So depending on the currency, I would suggest you follow your currency pair. So if you trade something like JPY here, GBP JPY, there is JPY in it, means that you should trade during the Tokyo session or the London session, because GBP is Great Britain pound sterling in London. Yeah, something like that. JPY, you should trade it on Tokyo. Sydney, it means that AUD, Australian dollar. So currency pair with AUD like this, AUD USD. This is good for you to trade during the Sydney session or during the New York session, because it's AUD USD. How about Bitcoin? Bitcoin too, because there are USD in it. It's most active during the US session or the New York session. So yeah. And also, depending on the market, some markets are closed during the weekend while the crypto market stays open. So yeah, like Forex, currency pair, gold, commodities, they are all closed during the weekend, like Saturday and Sundays. They're all closed, but crypto, they stayed open 24/7. So keep that in mind. But even though they're open during weekends, their volume and liquidity is low though during the weekend, because most of the institutional traders out there in the world, or the financial institution, they're off during the weekend. So what drives the volume mostly is not the retail, it's mostly the institution, because you know, big banks, institution, they have a lot of money. Retail like us, it's only like a drop in the market, like a tiny drop in the ocean, a drop in the ocean. Yeah, so keep that in mind. Okay, next, which indicators or strategies are best? Okay, let me tell you, there are no such thing called wonder indicators, wonder strategies with 100% accuracy. No, there is no such thing called wonder indicators. If someone is telling you that their strategy, their methods, their indicators never lose, or they have 100% accuracy, there's only two possibilities. One, they are still a beginner, they have not experienced the market enough to know that there are no such thing called 100% accuracy. Secondly, they straight up lying to you. So be careful with that. And yeah, but still, anyways, for the sake of you, the viewers here, I will give you a strategy used by a lot of traders, like thousands of traders all around the world, and it's been used for hundreds and hundreds of years. This strategy is called support and resistance. So what is support and resistance? Support is an imaginary floor where prices tend to bounce upward when it touches that level, the support level. So I will show you here. This is the support here. Well, sometimes it breaks, but no problem. Normally it will bounce this in the support level. Well, what I would say, this support level here, it's valid, but it's not really valid. So the quality is not perfect. It's a little bit lower, the quality. Why? Because it has been broken like twice, but the market bounces in this support level 1, 2, 3, 4 times already. So it's valid, but it's not like 100% valid. So it's not perfect, but it's good enough. You know what I would call this support level, it's good enough. Okay, yeah. And what is resistance? Resistance is like an imaginary ceiling up there where the prices tend to bounce downward if it touches that resistance area. So where is the resistance area here? Here I find resistance area here. You see, the market bounces down from this area 3 times already. Here 1, 2, and 3 times. So I think this is a quite valid. This is quite valid resistance level. Yeah, that's basically it. And once support is broken, support is the imaginary floor, bottom, down one. When support is broken, the market normally would go straight down. It will fall a lot, the prices. And the other way around. When resistance or the imaginary ceiling is broken, normally the price will rise aggressively. So yeah, keep that in mind. How to use it? Well, basically you need to know. First. First you need to find the key support and resistance area, the important one, by checking which area are being bounced a lot of times by the price. Like you can see, like the price sometimes the price tends to bounce in like a specific one area, so that area is It's called a support or an important support or resistance. Okay, let me show you here. See, you see right now, this is real time price. You see the price are now currently in near the resistance area here. Well, it had bounced the resistance, it bounces downward. So yeah, what I would do here, like something like this, I would open a sell position because the price had just recently bounced downward. See, if we check it here, price goes up, down, up, and here it goes down a little bit, it goes up again. See this one here, it goes up again, and eventually it will go down, maybe to the next strong support or resistance area. So yeah, that's how you use support or resistance. You open a position when the market bounces or when the market breaks the support or resistance. And where should you put the target? So your target area is the next strong support or resistance area. In this case, because it bounces downward from the resistance area, so my next target is the next support area. This is the next support area, so yeah, it's a good target here. Yeah. And where do you put your stop loss? Well, it depends, up to you. But what I would do is I calculate the distance between the opening position and the TP, take profit. Calculate how many points. I put the distance to the stop loss half of the distance to the take profit. So if the distance to take profit is 1000 points, I would put the distance to the stop loss at 500 points from the opening price. That's what I would do. So I could maintain a good risk to reward ratio, 1-2. Or 1-3, it's even better, something like that. And where should I trade? I get asked a lot too. For me, currently the best broker or the best trading platform is fortunomarkets. Why? First, fortunomarkets have very low spreads and very low trading fees in general. They have zero commission, zero swaps or overnight fees. I think they have one of the best trading fees in the world, one of the lowest. It's so low that on some assets it's basically negligible, almost zero fees. That's number one. Number two, they're very safe and credible, trustworthy company. They're a big company. Fortune Markets has been operating in more than 20 countries. They're legit, very strong regulation, good regulation, and very popular. If you search Fortune Markets on social media, it's very popular, used by everyone. I think that's important too. And last but not least, Fortune Markets have one of the best affiliate program. If you are into the affiliate program thing, they offer 70% IB rebate to the affiliates or IBs, highest in the industry. So yeah, I think for now, Fortune Markets is the way to go. And they have everything: crypto, Forex, gold, indices, index, stocks. You can trade anything here, basically. Yeah. And if you want to start trading and register Fortune Markets, you can check the link down below in the description. You can start trading for free. If you want signals from our team, you can check Fortune Markets Global Signals for free too. Links down below in the description. Yeah, and that's about it. Thank you for watching and peace out.